Yes, we have learned about the formula, that is volume is equal to area of base into height. Now from this formula we have the converse. Area of the base we can write volume divided by height, or height is equal to, we can write it volume divided by area of base, is it? These are the converse of this, and question number 3 is based on this converse formula. You can see question number 3a, it is given the volume of box is 144 centimeter. Volume of box is equal to 144 centimeter cube. Height is 5 centimeter. So what would be the area of base? Volume divided by height we have learned, or it gives you 144 centimeter cube divided by 5 centimeter, or it gives you 5 rows are 10, 5 eights are 40, 5 eights are 40. Now you had centimeter cube and here 1 centimeter. So I am left with centimeter square. 1 centimeter is eliminated. So this would be the height area of the base. Now in number B, you have given the volume and the area of base, and you have to find the height of the cupboards. Question number B, volume of the cupboards six meter cube, and area of the base is equal to 3 meters square. So height would be volume divided by area. So 6 meter cube divided by 3 meters square is equal to 2 meter. This would be the height of the cube. Now question number C, the volume of microwave is given and the height is given. You have to find the area of the base. Can do. Now come to question number D. Question number C you have to do. Number D, just have a look. There are altogether 100 tiles in a pack. Each tile is 15 into 15 centimeter square and 3 centimeter thick. Number D, area of base of a tile, base of one tile is equal to 15 into 15 centimeter square. Height of the tile or thickness is a height, the same thing. Thickness of tile, one tile is 3 centimeter. So what is the volume of one tile? 15 into 15 into 3 centimeter cube. 675 centimeter cube. So the volume of 100 tiles into 100 centimeter cube, because the box contains 100 tiles. So this gives you 67500 centimeter cube. This is question number D. Okay. The last length, breadth and height is given and you have to find the volume. Question number E. 3E. Length of box is 12 centimeter. Breadth of box is 4 centimeter and height of box means thickness of box is 2 centimeter. So the volume of box 12 into 4 into 2 centimeter cube, 96 centimeter cube. Real thickness and height is the same thing. Okay. When we talk about box and all, we talk about the thickness, but it is same as height. So for today, you leave it up to here. Question number 4, you have to do. You have to find the volume of both the sides and then you have to compare which is more. I am not going to do. You have to do it, question number 4, in your book itself. Next day, we will be solving question number 5. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you, dears.